From a distance, Saturn's largest moon appears as a featureless, hazy orange sphere. Its thick atmosphere conceals the surface in a permanent golden shroud. But when radar mapping penetrates that haze, a surface emerges that mimics Earth with striking accuracy. The terrain is defined by winding river networks, deep lakes, and vast continuous coastlines. These features look like the carved coastal fjords of Norway or the inlets of North America, a landscape that feels strangely familiar and inviting. That resemblance is a trap. The orange haze is a thick chemical smog that blocks most sunlight, reducing high noon to a deep, perpetual twilight. Titan's danger lies in its mimicry. It employs the same geological mechanics as Earth, but it replaces life-sustaining water and air with a chemical environment that is completely incompatible with our biology. On the surface, the atmosphere is 1.5 times thicker than Earth's. Beneath this crushing pressure, the temperature hovers at -179 degrees Celsius. At these temperatures, methane, a flammable gas on Earth, becomes a free-flowing liquid. It evaporates, forms clouds, and falls as rain, driving a complete hydrological cycle that operates without a single drop of water. The scale of this cycle is massive. Methane rainfall fills basins like Kraken Mare, a sea of hydrocarbons comparable in size to the Caspian Sea. Due to Titan's low gravity and dense air, a methane storm is a surreal sight. Raindrops grow to a centimeter across and fall in extreme slow motion, drifting through the orange fog like falling oil. This rain is a powerful solvent. If it lands on an astronaut suit, it doesn't just sit there, it spreads, actively dissolving certain plastics and rubbers. Surviving a storm on Titan is a race against the chemistry of the moon itself. It is an environment that can compromise the structural integrity of a spacesuit's seals in a matter of minutes. Near the equator, the lakes disappear, replaced by endless fields of sand dunes. From above, they look like the sweeping linear dunes of the Namib Desert. But this sand is not made of rock. The dunes adult from tholins, complex, toxic hydrocarbon molecules created in the upper atmosphere that have snowed down onto the surface over millions of years. These dunes present a strange contradiction. Titan's everyday prevailing winds blow steadily from east to west, yet the dunes themselves are all shaped pointing toward the east. The answer lies in the moon's occasional violent outbursts. Rare, massive methane downpours generate localized hurricane winds that blow opposite to the prevailing breeze, hitting with enough force to realign the landscape. Titan's deserts are a facade. They are constructed from airborne poison and shaped entirely by sudden atmospheric tantrums. While this freezing, chemical world is lethal to humans, it may be a habitable environment for a radically different biology. Earth's water-based cell membranes would instantly shatter in these methane seas, but a theoretical nitrogen-based membrane, called an azotosome, remains flexible. Strangely, the lower atmosphere shows a chemical imbalance. Hydrogen vanishes, and the expected buildup of acetylene is missing. This imbalance matches the predicted biological footprint of a methanogenic organism, something breathing hydrogen and consuming acetylene in the dark methane oceans. In the mid-2030s, NASA's Dragonfly mission will arrive to touch this surface directly. The nuclear-powered quadcopter will fly down through the thick orange atmosphere to directly sample this organic chemistry at its source. If Dragonfly finds living cells, it will prove that biology can emerge from a completely different chemical blueprint, one that does not require a single drop of liquid water. Until then, Titan remains a world of unreachable beauty. It perfectly copied the geography and weather systems of Earth, but filled in the details with a lethal alien language. It is the solar system's poisonous mirror. It reflects our world back to us through a lens of freezing solvents and toxic snow, hiding the chilling possibility of an alien biology within the dark.